Chocolate peanut butter overload. Better.
You can see it's like blooming or something.
And on my walk, I saw some wild berries as well.
I'm at a Food Lion in Savannah, Georgia, and they have, I think this is Spanish moss. I'm gonna say it is from outside. I'll show a clip from the trees, but I think they have it on the ceramic teapots, which is cute. I have ceramic teapots from when I used to work at Teavana, and I think this would be a fun DIY to do. And they have lots of, I guess those are orchid, or no, those aren't orchids. Let's see, calla lilies, roses, some weird flowers, rose globes. What is that? Oh, that's cool. It's like a real flower, I guess, that they put inside. I like this one, but they're $19. And then they have the orchids, orchid number 5. Phalaenopsis orchid, long-lasting elegance for your home, in different colors. And then they have that one bulb that's always here at all the stores. Ooh, the purple one's pretty too. Ooh, rainbow. Yeah. Oh, there she is. The pussy willow tree for $22.99. And it don't have all the things that the mom like has in her breast milk and stuff. Timmy, turn. Listen for a burner. Get anywhere you want to. Now the soul that you're running. So it's easy. It's too late, bro. That's just in my head now. Timmy Turner. I feel him though. That's like a blues or soul song.
Who?
That guy, designer, he made it. I just know he be saying something. Hanging basket drip pan. Well, I don't mind if I do. I'm getting in. Oh, I broke that one. Hanging basket drip pan. Catches water overflow. Keeps plants moist. Yeah. Planter. And they have big ones. It must be 10.50. Okay. I was tripping.
Yo.